Hello, my little space explorers. Welcome back to Learning Fun Zone. And today is a very special day. After a long, long time, we are finally bringing back something you all loved so much: Free Hour of Code. Yes, every Sunday we will meet, learn, and create amazing projects together absolutely free. And to celebrate this today, we are going to make a super fun space talk project where characters talk, show emotions, and come alive using code. So, get ready to learn, play, and imagine because coding is not just study, it's fun, it's creativity, and it's magic. Let us start our space journey in 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Hey everyone, welcome. Now, today we are going to create a space talk project. So, this is Scratch website and let's click on create button. So, we are going to add different characters and they will be talking to each other, sharing their thoughts, feelings, and it is going to be fun, isn't it? So, in Scratch, we have characters and objects that are called as sprites and they appear on stage. Okay, so here this is the stage and this is our Scratch cat, and if we go and click on this one, we will be seeing a big library of different characters, beautiful characters that you can add to your project. This is dance, music, sports, food, fashion, letters, everything. Okay, so go ahead and explore this. Then there is a backdrop and you can add different backdrops over here. Okay, related to space. So now we are going to create a space project, so let us add a space backdrop. Okay, so it's very easy, isn't it? We just need to add a backdrop. Now we can add different characters to our scene, but before that let us quickly have a quick recap of what is a Scratch editor. Okay, so this is the code tab, and inside this code tab we have blocks menu. Here, just like different colorful crayons, we have different blocks here. Okay, so that will be useful when we are creating our project, we are creating our games. Okay, so we will be using the control loops, if then, events. Okay, when something is pressed, what to do, all these things we are going to use these beautiful colorful blocks. Okay, then there is a backpack over here. So this, what is this backpack? Whenever we want to copy paste something, we will be dragging drop here, and then this code we can use it for different sprites. All right, now let us go next. This is the code area and this is the full screen. If you click on this, this will be a full screen, and if we click on this one, it will again minimize. Okay, so this is the stage area. Then this is the stage pane. So if you want to code the stage, we can use this. Then this is the sprites pane. So here you can customize your sprite with different sizes. So if I click on this and I want to increase the size, I can make it, let's say, 200. Okay, so it's increasing. If I make it 100, it's decreasing. Okay, so you can try and change the X and Y position. It will keep on moving. Okay, once we move, you can see X and Y is changing. The direction also you can change. So here you can see it's changing, isn't it? Cool. So try different things here, try to explore. So in coding we need to explore a lot. You can try different things and play along with this Scratch editor. Okay, now let's go and see what else is there. Yeah, this is the zoom. Okay, you can see the plus minus button here. You can zoom the code and use it, or if it is a bigger code, then you can minimize it as well. Okay, so if you have a lot of blocks and it's confusing, try to minimize it, and if you want to use it for easier code, you can increase the font as well. Okay, so yeah, these are the things in Scratch editor. Now let us go, and now once you have chosen the backdrop, let's delete the Scratch cat. Okay, so click on this delete button, and yes. Okay, now let's add some fun sprites. Which one do you like? You can just go to this library, go to fantasy, and let's add some fun sprites. Okay, so which one do you like? You can let me know, like which one is cute. Okay, you want this Pico. Okay, this looks like an alien. Perfect. Okay, so now we want this character to talk with us. Okay, so what we can do, we can just go to looks and say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, so let's see if it says hello for 2 seconds. Yes, wow, amazing. Okay, so you made a speech bubble and it is working for 2 seconds. Now what next can we do? So we want, when I click on this Pico, I want it to say hello. Okay, so go to events and select this select this one when this sprite is clicked. Okay, so whenever this sprite is clicked, it will say hello for 2 seconds. Amazing, right? So after 2 seconds, you can see the hello is disappearing. Okay, so it will disappear once you stop clicking. Okay, you can even write something that you like. Okay, hello, my name is Pico. You can write anything that you like here, or welcome to my project. Okay, anything that you like, you can write here. Now what else can we do? Let's make Pico play a sound as well before it speaks. Okay, so let's go to sound, and we also have a sounds library. Okay, so let us explore that as well. Okay, so let's go. Now let us see how to add a fun sound to Pico. Okay, so what do? I just added the start sound button here, and we will go to the sound pane, and just like how we added the sprites library, we will go to the sounds library by clicking this, and here we have the entire library of different sounds. You can go ahead and explore them. You can also dance along with this. There are funny animal sounds. I hope you're able to listen. Now let's go ahead and add alien sound. Okay, so this is the alien creak sound that I'm going to attach to the code. Let's change this. Okay, so you can select whichever sound you like for your for your alien. Okay, so just go ahead and start sound. Now let's play and see. Click on the play button, and yes, Pico is creating a funny sound. Crazy. Now let's add one more cute alien. Let's go to Scratch library, go to fantasy. Then which one shall we add now? Okay, this one is cute. This is Nano. Okay, let's pull the Nano. Okay, where is it? I guess it has got hidden. Let me just show it up. So go to the looks and click on show button. Okay, now it can be seen. Okay, so you can select anything from the fantasy category. Okay, now what do we want to do? We want to show that Nano is talking. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to events when this sprite is clicked. Go to looks and switch costume. Okay, now we will learn about costumes. So let's go to the costumes pane, and here you can see it has 4 different costumes. Cool, right? So I want the costume B and A. Okay, so if we move them, it will feel as if it is talking, isn't it? So let's go ahead and let's add a weight. Let me add a 0.5 seconds. Okay, and again go to looks and switch costume to B. Okay, let's see. Cool. Okay, we can see it is opening the mouth and closing. Okay, so all these blocks you can explore, and it's funny. Okay, if you click on this now, it is opening the mouth. Cool. Okay, so now if you want it to say something, same way you can just add here. Okay, so let's say it is saying thanks, okay, for 2 seconds. So click on this. Okay, it's saying thanks. Amazing. So you can make it move, you can make it dance. Now let's add one more alien friend. Go to sprite, fantasy. Now which one do you want? Giga. Amazing. Now this is Giga, and you can do fun things in Scratch. You can try to change the colors of these characters. It's really funny. So click on this, and let's say I want to change the color to blue, or let's say pink. Okay, those who want blue, you can use blue. Now I'm just coloring it pink. Okay, so it's coding is full of creativity. You can enjoy. There are many kids, who are experts. This is very creative field, and it's just like drawing. You will really enjoy once you start doing it. Okay, so let's go to events when this sprite is clicked, and let's say we want to change the color effect. Okay, let's try changing the color when it is clicked. Okay, so I have changed it manually, but I want to change the color of Giga once I am clicking. Go to looks, and there is a block set color effect too. Okay, so it's 0 initially, and let's go, and now instead of say let's add a think button. Okay, think button is also similar, but it will be in a cloud. Okay, and what else we can do? Go to looks, and then after the color effects are completed, let's clear the color effects. Now let me click. Okay, so now this is 0, but if we want to change the color, let's make it 10. Okay, so every time I click on it, it will slightly change it. Okay, so every time it is changing the color a bit. So try different numbers here. So it's all up to you. Try numbers 1 to 200 and see which color you get, okay, upon clicking. Okay, so as I said, coding is all about your own creativity. So instead of 200, try let's say 180, and then play it again. You will see a different color. Okay, so whichever color you like, you can choose that number. Okay, and instead of this you can write anything that you like. Okay, it is such a wonderful day. So it's all up to you, whatever you want to make these characters say, you can make them say. You can add sounds, go ahead and add some funny sounds here. Go to sounds library, add up some background music. Okay, I'll add the monkey sound here. It's funny. Okay, so let's add a sound here. Crazy. Okay, so go ahead and enjoy this space talk, and it's really funny to find out. It's really funny. Okay, so kids generally love aliens, and whatever you dream, you can add your own fairy tales, you can add your own characters and make them talk in the same way. Okay, so let's try the final look. I'll click on the green button. Is it done? Yeah. Let's click on green button. Click on Pico. Click on Nano. Click on Giga. This one is crazy. Okay. Amazing. So did you like today's space talk? Do try it and do share the links of your projects, and remember to save them. So I will write here space talk project. Okay, name your project and share it. So once you click on this share button, you will be able to share it to everyone else. Okay, so I will also share this project to you, okay, in the comments. So you can try this project and do share your own funny projects with me in the comments.
I hope you had lots of fun making your Space Talk project today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And guess what? On parents' demand, we are starting free Hour of Code sessions every Sunday. You can join me on this channel to learn cool coding projects like this, fun, creative, and easy. So see you this Sunday for our next fun coding adventure. Bye bye, space coders.